Good morning, students. Hope you all are doing good. My name is Meenakshi Bansal, your maths teacher. Today, in this video, we will learn about algebraic expression. Let's start algebraic expression. So, algebraic expressions, what are algebraic expression? It is a combination of variables and constant. Variables and constant terms, and they are connected with the sign. This is plus sign, minus, multiplication and division. So, if I am writing, for an example, we are writing an algebraic expression that is 3x plus 4. When we are multiplying a alphabet with a number, it also considered as a variable. And the number is always called constant. Why they are constant? Because their value is fixed. And why they are called variables? Because somewhere we are writing x is equal to 0. Sometime we will write x is equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on. So their value is not fixed. That's why variables vary their values. Their values are varied. 3y minus 3 is another example of algebraic expression. Now the next topic is, what are terms? Terms are algebraic expression separated by plus sign and minus sign. How we can define the term? Let us take an example. 3x plus 4y. Both are variables. So, but if we are taking, it is separated. When we are considering this is plus sign or we are having a minus sign. Till then, this is called your first term. This is our first term. Okay. Now, second term, when we are getting a plus sign, it means it is a break. Second term is 4y. And third term is with the sign. It is minus 3. So, in this algebraic expression, how many terms are here? Here are 3 terms. 1 term, 2 term, 3 term. In the similar manner, if I am writing one more example here, 3 plus 9a. 3 plus 9a. So, how many terms are here? One term is this and another one is 9a. Okay. Now, our next topic is factors. What are factors? Product of one or more numbers or variables of a term. I am taking one term. This is 3xy. So, what will be the factor? It is multiply of 3 into x into y. So, this. All are factors. In the similar manner, if I am writing the factors of minus 5 square, this is a term. So, we will write it as minus 1 into 5 into how many times having power? It is y square. So, we will write y into y. These all are called factors. This is the product of one or more numbers or variables. Okay, beta. Now the next topic is coefficient. What are coefficient? Each of the factors with the sign of the term. For example, if I am writing minus 3x square y. If I am asking, what is the coefficient of y? So leave the y. What is left behind? The coefficient of y will be with the sign. We are taking with sign. So, it will be minus 3x square. Minus 3x square. If I am asking what will be the coefficient, same. Term is same. If I am asking what is the coefficient of x square. So, leave x square. The rest part is the coefficient of x square. It means minus 3 and y. Minus 3 and y is the coefficient of x square. I hope it is clear. The next topic is like term, unlike term. How can we define like term or unlike term? So, if they are having the same literal factor, Literal factor, it means if we are saying x square y, it is x into y. In the similar manner, you are getting y into x. Both are same. 3 into 4 or 4 into 3, they are same. So here x into y, or you can say y x. And the third one, if you are doing the factor, it will be y into y, x into x. Fourth one, x. So if it is having y into y, x into x, because y square is having power 2, so we will write twice, and x is also having power 2, so we will write x twice. Here is x power 1, so we will write x single, and y square we will write y twice. So check whether those are having same factors. So you will say this and this one, but these two are like terms, and if we are comparison 1 to 3rd or 1st to 4th, they are considered as unlike term because they are not having the same literal factor. Okay beta, so this is unlike term, they do not have the same factors. Next topic is classification of algebraic expression. In how many ways we will classify algebraic expression? So here is monomial. In scientific language, there is a counting start with mono, bi, tri, as you know. So in the similar manner, mono means 1. The algebraic expression which are having only one term is called monomial. 3x, 4y, 5, 2z. So all are, because they are having only one term, that's why they are considered as monomial. Second one, binomial. If the term is having two terms, then this type of expression is called binomial. 3z plus 4. Because they are having two terms, that's why they are called binomial. Trinomial. If an algebraic term is having three terms, 4y plus 3x minus 7, because they are having three terms, so this is called trinomial. More than 2, they are considered as polynomial. 4y square plus 3y plus 5x minus 4. So there are many, poly means many terms makes polynomial. So here many terms, if they are having more than 3, then this type of expression is called polynomial. Next topic is degree of a polynomial. What is the degree? If I am writing, that is highest power of the variable. Let's take an example. If I am writing an expression 3x4 2x cube plus 5x5. This is an algebraic expression. In this case, variable, these all are variables, these are variables, and highest power 5x5. Variable is having highest power 5, so degree of this expression will be 5. Degree will be, that will be 5. In this case, it is interrelated to standard form of a polynomial. In that case, if the same example I am writing here, to write a polynomial in standard form, always make sure the highest power written first. It should be in decreasing order. After that, what will come? This power, 3x4. After this, you will write the next decreasing order. First, you will write the highest power. After that, smaller. In the descending order, you will write the powers. This is the form of a standard form of a polynomial. So students, this is the introduction of algebraic expression. In next video, we will do the questions related to these basics. So I hope you will learn from this video and just repeat it again and again. Thank you so much for watching the video.